Welcome back. Continuing the news. The Office of Utilities Regulation OUR says it is deeply concerned about the performance of the island's telecommunications providers, especially now that more people are at home. Now, this follows widespread complaints within the last 24 hours from customers served by Flow. Vashon Brown has the details.
It's been a rough few hours for some Flow customers in several parishes following a disruption in data service provided by the telecommunications company. It's also bad timing since people have been working from home as the country tries to deal with the coronavirus pandemic. The affected areas: Kingston, Mandeville, Ocho Rios and St. Thomas. The Office of Utilities Regulation OUR says it has been monitoring the development. Elizabeth Bennett Marsh is the OUR's public education specialist.
We have got a few complaints directly to the OUR from Flow customers. We have also been receiving complaints via our social media platforms, including on Twitter and Facebook. We have received communication from Flow regarding the outage. They have indicated to us, as is the norm, that they will be conducting a preliminary investigation into the matter, after which we expect to get a better report from Flow.
In a statement today, Flow's country manager Stephen Price said services have been restored to over 90% of affected customers. Mr. Price said Flow is mindful of the importance of its services for working from home, homeschooling, and staying connected while people practice physical distancing during this COVID-19 pandemic. He said Flow's technical team worked through the afternoon and last night to get services up and running. Flow also noted that it has been doing a lot of work to ensure the stability and reliability of the network, and this disruption is regrettable, especially during this time. But the regulator says it is deeply concerned.
At a time like this, when more persons are at home and they're doing work from home and children are doing online learning, etc., the OUR remains deeply concerned about the performance of the telecoms companies, especially over the last few months. We are concerned about the frequency of interruptions, and we're also concerned about the pace with which some of these interruptions are corrected.
So what has the OUR been doing about the matter?
The OUR has been making interventions even before the advent of COVID and the recent interruption. We will await the latest investigative report by Flow before we make a decision on the way forward.
In the meantime, Flow said its technical team continues to restore services to the remaining customers affected by the disruption. The company pointed out that it will continue its network expansion projects to meet the increased demand due to COVID-19. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.